dapat talaga diretso tayo dito sa alyansa. No ifs and buts about it. Ito talagang ihingi ko sa iyo.
Have you ever wondered nga nung ipugos yun ni Martin Romualdez nga mudaog ang mga senators sa alyansa? Here's what you need to know. Kung ma-impeach si VP Sara, walay public election para pulihan siya. Ang sunod na Vice President will simply be nominated by the President, and it will just be approved by the Senate and the House of Representatives. And who controls the House right now? Si Martin Romualdez, kay siya ang Speaker of the House o ig-agaw ni Bongbong Marcos. With his influence over the Congress, it is almost certain nga siya ang mahimong Vice President without a single vote from the ordinary Filipino people. And once Romualdez becomes Vice President, the Marcos Romualdez clan will even have a tighter grip on this country. Mao ba na ang imong gustong mahitabo? If not, then you need to choose your congressmen and your senators wisely and share this message. Utang buot.